Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the ST235 85R16 14-Ply all-steel trailer tire mounted on the black mod trailer wheel. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your ST235 85R16 14-Ply all-steel trailer tire mounted on the black mod wheel with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. So this tire brand is an advanced tire, and we've been selling these for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years now. We've had good luck out of them. Good solid tire. So the bolt pattern on this 8-lug wheel is 8 on 6.5, so it's 8 lug, 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. It has a 4.90 pilot hole, so it's going to be standard bolt pattern for your 7K, 8Ks. Have an 8-lug wheel, real standard. So the tire itself is rated at 4,400 pounds on a single wheel, like so, or on a dual wheel it's rated at 3,860, which doesn't really apply since this is a single wheel, clearly. It has 110 psi, load range G, so that's a 14-ply. The speed rating on it is a M, right there. So 81 miles per hour. It has a good highway tread on it. The tread pattern is the GL285T, and we'll take a look at that real quick. Nice highway tread pattern. Everybody likes this highway tread pattern. It does really well. Good to go. The wheel is actually rated at 4,400 pounds per wheel, so this is a real heavy duty wheel. That's good. It's a 16x6 wheel, and good to go. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to get you fixed up. Thanks for watching.